So, retro stuff. I've got a Nintendo 64 on the bench for an RGB mod. Customer bought me the parts. We're going to install this and take you along for the ride. So, let's see how this goes. When taking apart this old Nintendo stuff, they require very specific bits. So make sure you have a set of these before you even start something like this. There are 14 screws that have to come out first, and I like to mark those with the red marker so I don't forget. And all 14 screws are the same size except for these two, which go here and here, and these two, which go here and there. So this is our disassembled Nintendo 64. The board is upside down, and this chip is what we're installing. This is supposed to fit right here. And it does. It just falls right into place. I'll have to do some more research on the wiring, but already things are fitting well, so we're off to a good start. Alright, we are under the microscope now, and the first thing we need to do is get this thing soldered down. There's 7 pins, so we're going to start with some Amtech flux. And then we'll just start soldering. Good flux makes all the difference. See how that flows nice? Gotta make sure everything gets all the way in there. Alright, we are almost done. Alright, there's that. That's a good start. Now the next thing we have to do is tin these leads right here. So, again, more flux. Because we're going to solder on our wires onto here. Looks like my tip is dirty. I'll give that a clean. There. Got some fresh solder on those tips, those leads. So now we're going to solder on our wires. So the company that provided this kit also provided these wires. They appear to be pre-tinned, so we are going to solder them on. Here we go. I am doing this yellow wire first because this machine does not have this little clock signal, all this stuff over here. So this yellow wire is going to have to go to R16. Nicely, they have that hole already, so that's going to make it easy. So we'll just do one wire at a time. Boom. Yellow one. Look, it's already labeled B for blue. That makes things easy. G for green. Get in there. That's a little better. R for red. Don't care for the way that looks, so I'm going to give it a little more flux. Hold that in place. That fell off. That's okay. There she goes. Nice clean solder joints. That's better. So, now, those are going to get put on the board down here. Are 9, 10, and 8, I guess. 10, 9, 8. So, that's what we're doing next. Alright, I saved you the trouble of watching me fighting tinning these leads. Let's just go ahead and get soldering. Green and blue goes there. There we go. Now this yellow one up here, that's that clock one I was telling you about. That one needs to be installed because we don't have all this chip stuff up here. There's missing parts. Follow your instructions. They tell you what you have to do. There. Alright. Now we'll just clean up, make it look pretty, and put it back together.